Yes, children, we have seen about time management and prioritization. With that, we are going to see the next lesson, that is time is valuable. That is, the time stays long enough for anyone who will use it properly. So, for the one who use the time properly, it stays long enough. The time is more than enough for us. So the one who will use the time properly, it stays long enough for. That is, we should use our time properly. We should not waste our time. So, there was a young boy named Irfan. He was very lazy boy. He always used to postpone the task he had to do. Postpone means which means arranging the things for later from the first schedule. So if we want to do that thing now, he used to arrange that work for the later. He used to postpone the things he had to do. So one day what happened, he came to know that he had won the first prize in a singing competition which was held the previous month, and he was asked to collect the prize on the same day. He came to know that he won the first prize in the singing competition, and also he was asked to collect the prize on the same day. But what he thought, he would get that later, and also eventually he forgot to get his prize and went home without collecting the prize. Then when he realized and when he reached the school on the next day, he remembered about the prize, and then what he did, he ran. He was rushed to collect the prize. When he got the prize, he was very disappointed by looking at the prize because the prize had become useless for him. The prize which he got is useless for him. That prize was a family ticket to his favorite magic show, which was held the previous day. That is the day before, or we can say it as yesterday. So the prize became useless for him. Why? Because it was a family ticket for his favorite magic show, which was held the previous day. From this, he learned a very important lesson, that is, time is valuable, which means we can't get the time back. That is, there is no going back in time. We can't go back in time. So time is valuable. We should use it properly. This is what the lesson he learned from that incident. So children, each of us has a bank named time. Each of us have a bank named time, and each day it opens with a new account. Each and every day it opens with a new account for us, and it deposits 24 hours. It deposits 24 hours. That is 86,400 seconds in it. And at the end of the day, it burns whatever you fail to use. At the end of the day, it burns whatever you fail to use. And if we fail to use our time properly, the loss is ours. If we fail to use our time properly, the loss is only for us. And as I told you already, there is no going back in time. We can't get the past time now. So we must live in the present and should use our time properly to get the utmost in health, happiness and success. So I told you already, there is no going back in time. So we must live in the present and we should use our time properly. Thus, the time will never stop for us. The clock will be running always. So, we should make the most of our time today. We should live in our present and we should use our time properly. As I have told you already, the one who will use the time properly, they have enough of time. By asking with a student who failed in a grade, you can realize the value of 1 year. And by asking with a mother who gave a birth to a premature baby, you can realize the value of 1 month. And by asking the editor of a newspaper, of a weekly newspaper, you can realize the value of 1 week. And then by asking the friends who are waiting to meet, you can realize the value of 1 hour. And by asking a person who missed the train, you can realize the value of 1 minute. And by asking the person who just avoided an accident, you can realize the value of 1 second. And by asking the person who won a silver medal in the Olympic, you can realize the value of 1 millisecond. Why? Because only these people know the value of 1 year, 1 month, 1 week, 1 hour, 1 minute and 1 second and 1 millisecond than anyone else. While comparing to others, only these people know the value of the time more. So, treasure every moment that you have. We should value our time. I hope you all have understood, children. Thank you all.